for Brain Mythbusters. The theory of multiple intelligences has been around for quite some time. Multiple intelligences is the concept that no two people are exactly the same, and it stands to reason, then, that students have specialized ways of learning. This seems like a pretty nice idea, right? Some people are naturally better skilled at playing and composing beautiful music, controlling the ball on a court in sports, and drawing and creating beautiful pieces of art. But current research into multiple intelligences indicates that there is a lack of evidence of multiple intelligences. In fact, we have not been able to replicate the results of those original experiments, which has led to some popular but ineffective techniques and confusion about research and misinformation. Instead, we should focus on new cognitive neuroscience. Brain research indicates that the highest effectiveness occurs when activities match concepts. For example, if you're doing a lesson on chemical bonds, you could do a lecture or have the kids write a research paper. But wouldn't it be far more effective to have the kids create and break chemical bonds in a lab? Teachers, we get this. We know this. Why do we need to research how the brain works? Knowing the brain gives us confidence in what we are teaching. It gives us understanding of our kids' behaviors and patience to teach them. We are in the business of shaping brains. So then, doesn't it make sense that teachers believe neuroscience is relevant? That neuroscience can provide context for teaching and not a program for teaching. And knowing how the brain works can give us better insight into how to teach the brain. What a brilliant idea! By taking advantage of the brain's research, we can begin to design curriculum better. Curriculum that allows for preparation, learning the material, incubation, thinking about what you're learning, illumination, that aha, I get it moment, and verification where students learn that they are right. Curriculum where authentic learning can take place. In varied environments that provide multiple cues for recall. Using spacing to effectively to allow for memory, including time for practice of the new skills, time to talk and listen to develop socially, and time to reflect. So, go ahead, teachers. You are smart, you are educated, you know your kids, and you know your content. But do your brain research. Use it to inform your planning, not replace it. Create activities that fit the concepts that will be meaningful to your students. And do this because you know how the brain works, not because someone gave you a program to follow.